Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Command and Conquer Generals online with friends. First, make sure every player has Command and Conquer Generals installed on their computer. It's super important that everyone has the exact same game version, including any expansion packs like Zero Hour, to avoid compatibility issues. A strong, stable internet connection for all participants will ensure a smooth and enjoyable gaming session with minimal lag. This foundational step sets you up for success. Next, you'll need a virtual LAN, or VPN, software to simulate a local network over the internet. Popular choices include Hamachi or Radman VPN, both of which are straightforward to install. One of your friends should take the lead and create a new network within their chosen VPN client. They'll share the network name and password, allowing everyone else to easily join this virtual space. This step tricks the game into thinking you're all on the same local network. Once your virtual LAN is fully established and all friends are connected, launch Command and Conquer Generals. Head straight into the game's Options or Settings menu. Here, you'll need to locate the network adapter settings. It's critical to select your virtual LAN adapter, such as the Hamachi or Radman VPN adapter, instead of your regular internet connection. This tells the game to use your virtual network for multiplayer, making sure everyone can see each other. With the game configured, the host player should navigate to the multiplayer section and then select network to create a new game. They can then customize the game settings, choosing a map, setting player slots, and adjusting other preferences. Your friends will follow the same path, going to multiplayer and network, where they should now see the host's game listed. Simply select the game and join, and you're all set to enjoy epic battles together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.